Welcome back to another video from Carolina's Cottage. This is Johnny, and some of you may remember this item from a previous video. This winter scene is from a bag that I thrifted that had originally come from Barnes & Noble. I wasn't able to complete the project in that video, but today I'm going to show you what a beautiful sign I made with this wonderful bag. I used an old vintage cabinet door for this piece, and I think the touch of black paint around the outside of this cabinet door is exactly what it needed to help the colors all come together. I want to say a couple of things to those of you who might be going through a tough time through this holiday season. Just know that we have a God that hears and knows what we need. We just give this to God and know that Christ will walk through this with us. He knows the worst of what we can go through because He endured the worst for us. So I just want to give you those words of encouragement and hope that you will turn to God and to Christ through this season. And let's get back to our video. The felt that this bag was made from was a really thick, heavy-duty felt. It was almost a ½ inch thick, so I used a generous amount of wood glue to secure it to the cabinet door. And this was my little granddaughter Peyton, who joined me on this crafting day. Now you will see a better picture of how this turns out at the end of the video. I'll show you a nice shot of that. And for now, these words are going to appear backwards because I do have my camera setting in selfie mode. But I'd like to go ahead and ask you to please give this video a thumbs up. It will really help trigger my video to go out to more folks through the algorithm that YouTube uses. So please do that, and thank you so much. Before gluing the felt to this cabinet door, I had put a clear coat with a matte finish over this whole piece, and now I'm giving another additional coat over the letters to help secure these. Then I will flip this piece over, take some measurements about where I'm going to put the little sawtooth hangers and add those. And you can find a lot of my supplies listed on my Amazon storefront site, and I'll have that listed below in the description. You may click on the pop-up to watch more videos, and please give this a thumbs up. Thank you for watching today, and I will see you in the next video.